In this lesson, we explore alcohols starting with how they are named, how we can make them, and what special behaviors primary alcohols show. We'll highlight how to spot a primary alcohol, see how they lose water, and why methanol and ethanol are so useful. An alcohol is any molecule with an oxygen atom bonded to a hydrogen atom and to a carbon chain. We call that group an OH or hydroxyl group. So the simplest formula we write is our dash O-H, where stands for any carbon group. We name the parent carbon chain by the longest chain with the hydroxyl. Then we number, so the OH gets the smallest number, and add the suffix OL to the alkane name. Primary alcohols are often prepared in two common ways. We can add water across a double bond using acid catalysis, which is hydration of an alkene, or we can reduce an aldehyde or carboxylic acid to push in extra hydrogens, usually with sodium borohydride or lithium aluminum hydride. Primary alcohols mix well with water because they can hydrogen bond. Their boiling points are higher than hydrocarbons of similar size because of those hydrogen bonds. Chemically, primary alcohols can be oxidized to aldehydes and then to carboxylic acids if we keep adding oxygen. They are generally less sterically hindered, so they react readily in substitution and oxidation. Let's look at 3 examples to identify whether the hydroxyl carbon is primary, secondary, or tertiary. CH3-CH2-OH has the hydroxyl carbon bonded to only one other carbon, so it is primary. CH3-CHOH-CH3 has the hydroxyl carbon bonded to 2 other carbons, so that makes it secondary. CH3-3COH has the hydroxyl carbon bonded to 3 carbons, making it tertiary. Primary alcohols can lose a molecule of water in a dehydration reaction with acid heat. We remove the OH and a hydrogen from the neighboring carbon, forming a double bond, as in an alkene. We often use concentrated sulfuric acid and heat to pull that water off. Methanol and ethanol are especially important. Methanol is used as a solvent in antifreeze and as a feedstock for formaldehyde. Ethanol is widely used as a beverage alcohol in regulated amounts and as a renewable fuel additive, and it is a common disinfectant. In summary, primary alcohols have an OH on a carbon with only one other carbon attached. We name them with the OL ending. We can prepare them by hydration or reduction, and they readily hydrogen bond and oxidize. Watching how they dehydrate helps us connect to reaction mechanisms, and methanol and ethanol give us practical real-world uses.